Hi, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever broken your routine, missed a fix few days, lost your momentum, and then told yourself, now I have to start again from a day one? And because of that thought, you delayed coming back. You waited for the perfect restart. And days turned into weeks, weeks turned into months. Today's topic is something very important: reset without restarting. Because one mistake most people make is this: they believe a break means failure, but it does not. A break only means pause, not the end. Let us understand this clearly. The moment you say, I have to restart from zero, your mind feels heavy. It feels like all your past effort is gone. It feels like you failed, and that feeling creates resistance. So instead of restarting, you avoid starting again. This is the trap. The problem is not the break, the problem is the thinking. Let me share something honestly. There have been days in my journey when I missed my routine, missed posting, missed writing, missed consistency. And earlier, I used to feel I broke this track. Now it is gone. That thought created pressure. But later, I changed my approach. I told myself I am not restarting, I am continuing from where I paused. That one shift changed everything. Let us understand. The difference: restart means you go back to zero, reset means you adjust and continue. Restart carries pressure, reset carries wisdom. Restart focus on what you lost, reset focus on what you learned. Reset is growth. Breaks are natural. Life happens. Travel, health, work, pressure, family responsibilities. You are not a machine. You are human. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to be consistent over time. And consistency includes break. Many people think like this: if I cannot do perfectly, I will not do at all. This thinking is dangerous because it turns small gaps into long gaps. Instead of saying, I missed 3 days, let me continue today, they say, I will restart next Monday. And next Monday never comes. Let us tell you some strategies. Strategy number one: continue immediately. The most powerful action after a break is simple: continue. No planning, no overthinking, no guilt, just continue. Missed 5 days? Start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Strategy number two: reduce the intensity. After a break, don't try to perform at your peak. Reduce intensity. If you were doing 1 hour, do 15 minutes. If you were writing 5 pages, write 1 page. Restarting at full intensity, restarting at full intensity creates pressure. Restarting with small steps create momentum. Strategy number three: remove guilt. Guilt is heavy. It shows you down. It makes you avoid action. Instead of saying, I failed, say, I paused. That language matters. You did not fail, you paused. Now continue. Strategy number four: protect identity. Even if you missed days, you are still that person. If you are building a writing habit, you are still a writer. If you are building a discipline, you are still disciplined. Identity is not destroyed by a few missed days. Don't let temporary breaks change your permanent identity. Strategy number 5, focus on a streak of return. Instead of continuing missed days, start continuing comeback days. Day 1 after break, day 2 after break, day 3 after break. This builds positive momentum. Celebrate returning, not perfection. The power of comeback. Anyone can stay consistent when everything is smooth, but real strength is shown in comeback. Comeback builds resilience. Comeback builds confidence. Comeback builds identity. Your ability to return is more powerful than your ability to stay protected. A simple mindset. Say this to yourself: I don't restart, I realign. Realignment is powerful. It means you are still on the path, just adjusting your steps. Let us look at the bigger picture. If you stay consistent for 300 days in a year and miss 65 days, you are still consistent. But if you quit because of these 65 days, you lose everything. Consistency is not about perfection, it is about persistence. There will be moment when you feel, I broke the flow, I am behind, I lost progress. At that moment, remind yourself, progress is not erased, experience is not lost, learning is not gone. You are not starting over, you are starting stronger. Imagine your future self, a person who did not quit after break, a person who kept returning, a person who stayed in the game. That person is strong, not because they were perfect, but because they never stayed away for long. So, my dear friends, remember this deeply. Breaks do not define you, quitting does. Missing a few days is not normal. Not returning is the real problem. So don't restart, reset, continue, move forward. In your journey, you will pause, you will slow down, you will miss days, but never leave the path completely. Reset your mind, reset your routine, and continue your journey. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who is strongly to come back. Follow this podcast for a daily growth insights. And remember, you don't need a fresh start. You just need a strong return. See you in the next episode. Thank you.